how Apple sometimes seems to be behind its competition in performance, design, or features, only to eventually leapfrog them and take the lead. That's what DJI did with the Spark. While the company was concentrating on making higher-end camera drones for prosumers and professionals, other drone makers, established and startup, were creating highly portable drones for people who wanted cool aerial selfies, drones without having to be an expert pilot. DJI's $999 Mavic Pro seemed as close as the company would get to the category, with its compact folding design and intelligent object tracking that let you capture selfies with a hand gesture. But then the Spark arrived in May and pretty much made everyone forget about all the selfie drones that came before it. It offers many of the Mavic's same features in a body that's roughly the size of a soda can. The Spark is aimed at the dronie crowd, but shares tech from the Mavic such as obstacle detection, dual band GPS and a visual positioning system that lets it hover in place up to 98 feet, 30 meters, above the ground, indoors or outside. Also, while the competition relies on electronic image stabilization alone, DJI put the Spark's Full HD video camera on a 2-axis motorized gimbal for smooth results without sacrificing image quality. And DJI took its gesture controls to the next level with the Drone 2. Priced at $499 in the US, $859 in Australia and £519 in the UK, you don't get much more than the drone and a single battery. For $699, $199, £699. DJI bundles the Spark, extra props and a set of prop guards, 2 batteries and a charging hub for refreshing 3 batteries at once, a remote controller and a carry bag, a savings of $154. According to DJI's site, the bundle is a good value and worth getting if you think you might want to do more than quick flights for selfies. Then again, the Mavic Pro is pretty close in price and can be flown farther, faster and for longer. It has a better camera and stabilization and folds up to a very travel-friendly size as well. Basically, if you're really interested in learning to fly a drone immediately for capturing spectacular photos and video, save up for the Mavic. The Spark is a great choice if your main goal is to get cool with this without limiting your opportunities to do more down the road.